Dear students, welcome back to the channel. As I informed in the previous video, the application process for admission into the ITP program of Assam will begin today evening. And this is the link of the website where you need to apply for the admission process. Before that, please ensure that the general category students have secured 50% mark in 10 plus 2. The OBC category has secured 47% in 10 plus 2 and 45% for SC and ST category. These are the documents required for the application process. NCET application number, NCET roll number, applicant name and date of birth. These details should be same as mentioned in the NCET application form. In case of any mismatch, the application process cannot be completed. It will show an error message. The registration process is like this. Once you put these details in the SAMAS portal, you will receive 2 OTPs in your email ID and mobile number. The same mobile number and email ID used during the NCET application. You need to verify the 2 OTPs, then you can proceed further. After the validation of the 2 OTPs, then you need to create your profile in the SAMAS portal. After creation of the profile, you need to select university or autonomous colleges for program selection, where you want to place your application for admission. After that, you need to check the eligibility for the program. The ITP is 2 major and 1 minor program. The first major is education, and for the second major, the students should appear and pass in the second major like history, geography, pol science, economics, and in case of science, physics, chemistry, mathematics, botany, zoology, etc. Suppose one student did not appear in history paper in NCET, he or she cannot take history as second major, and this is the eligibility criteria. But in case of minor paper, there is no such rule and regulation. Students need not to appear and pass for minor paper in NCET. The students can apply in 5 different colleges, ensuring the subjects availability in the colleges or university. Before applying, students must see the detailed admission policy of the colleges of the or the university in the website. This is the timeline of the admission process. 16 July is the last date for the application. The merit list is prepared based on 4+1 subject score of the NCT scorecard. The 4 subjects, that is the compulsory subjects of NCET: general aptitude, teaching aptitude, and 2 language paper. And +1 means the marks obtained in second major paper, in which the students opt to take admission as second major. The 10+2 percentage is not considered in preparation of the merit list. This is the guideline published by the Department of Higher Education of Assam. Kindly go through it, and I wish best of luck to you. Thank you.